Madam,
Good morning, sir.
still they're joining.
Yes, yes.
Once all of them join, you take the attendance and just you can leave the meeting. It's today Sunday, no? Okay, in the last class, what is that we are discussing now?
The kinetic theory is an enormous velocity equation like that.
V average, we are discussing about V average.
You finish the
Finally, we finish average velocity, sir. Average velocity under root of 8 RT by pi m lateral relations. That's the
RMS
last.
velocity we can complete it.
Yes, sir.
Average
RMS
speed we completed.
Yes, sir.
completed.
So we are
Then,
discussing the theory.
Okay.
just then just move from velocity. That was okay.
Note down this.
Yes, sir. Noting, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Now, see, look at an expression for average kinetic energy per gas molecule. Forgot, huh?
So,
Look at your notes and see what is the average kinetic energy per gas molecule. Okay. Average kinetic energy of any kinetic, how much it is?
so
Put 8 by 3 pi VRMS.
No, no, no. Check up once again.
sir, 1 by 2 into density of gas to VRMS whole square. VRMS square, sir. Then one more is here 3 by 2 NKT.
Hmm. What is N?
Sir, N is N by M. Right? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. N into volume, sir. Small n into volume. Sorry, sir.
We have got earlier we derived this. Hope you remember. Remember?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Never remember, sir. Remember.
Hmm? This is the
Remember, sir. Remember.
So what is the total energy by per molecule? No.
Yes, sir.
Now if you observe this average kinetic energy is proportional to T1, you know.
Yes, sir.
That means you can see average kinetic energy is proportional to what?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Last week only we derived this.
Yes, sir. Now only remember, sir. Sorry, sir. Remember.
Return this.
1 minute, sir. Wait, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Now we can see that there are two gases now.
Yes, sir. Two gases.
They are mixed now. So
Yes,
now
sir.
in that mixture both gases will have same temperature now.
Yes, sir. Same temperature.
Yes, sir. Same temperature, 27 degrees Celsius.
Mm.
1:1 ratio.
What is the ratio of
1:1.
1:1, sir.
do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Any doubt is there till here?
No, no. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
One
Now we
minute,
are
1 minute.
now we are all negligent and all next year by this time we'll be literally weeping, record my words and recollect.
Yes, sir.
How you'll forget, man, so much last week only I taught. Okay, the second part of the question, what he says, root means square of the molecule two gases, no? Now you can see Ke of okay, this is also so what you can conclude
3 by 2 K.
agreed. Now you can see here T is same, no?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Okay. Substitute the values given.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1.2.
How did you do this? He has
1
given this, no?
sir, 1 by 2, sir. Root 1 by 2.
No, no, he did not give that. That is total mass of the gas, not per molecule.
Okay, sir. So,
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Oh.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Oh, sir.
Sir, hello.
Hello, tell me.
Sir, sir, one doubt.
Ask, you can ask.
Sir, but in the question it is given why the temperature of the mixture is 27 degrees Celsius.
Hmm.
Sir, but we haven't used it in the answer.
No, whatever data is given that need not be used. No, is there any rule that we have to use?
Yes, sir.
There is no necessary, no?
Yes, sir.
There is the rule that we have to use.
No, sir.
Now, how did you get this mass equals molecular mass ratios? Can I take it like that? See, actually, mass of a molecule's number of molecules is molecular mass now.
Yes, sir.
Remember, this is mass of each molecule. This is total number of molecules. This is the molecular mass. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how did we take that m is equal to m in this actually? This ratio is possible only if n is same.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Then you have m1 n by m2 m is m1 by m2. Okay, then how can you prove that? And nobody are asking about that. I just used an equation, you are agreeing for that. How can you prove that the molecules are same? Chemistry.
Only hypothesis, sir.
What hypothesis? Who gave hypothesis? No given. Who gave that? Hopeless fellows. Equal volumes of all gases at the same
Yes, sir.
temperature have
Equal number of molecules.
Same mass.
same number of molecules.
Avogadro's law, sir.
Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Because the temperature is same for both the gases. Understood? And the volume of same flux they are occupying now. That is the reason why we say that they are having same number of molecules. I utilize that concept over here and I am doing the problem. Understood this?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
No, no.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
No, one minute. Sir, one doubt, sir. So this
Okay.
column is molecular mass.
Hmm?
Capital total mass, no?
Pardon?
The mass of each molecule is molecular mass, sir.
Macha?
Mass of each molecule is molecular mass, sir. But we wrote m into n is molecular
Mass
mass.
of one molecule is called molecular mass. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I don't know that. Is it correct?
So, uh, yes, sir. Correct, sir.
This is correct and this is mass of the gas. Correct or no? What I wrote?
Mass of the gas. Correct answer. Expression is correct. I asked
Hmm.
this. I just simply asked one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right.
There is temperature is different when we have to use Avogadro number.
Pardon? Same?
So if temperature is different, then we have to use Avogadro number.
No, that depends. Other factors also should be given, no? We have to know the knowledge about volume, pressure.
Temperature should be found.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So we cannot. The only thing is the laws are minimum, but the problem is intricacies are many. You have to connect one with the other depending upon the problem. Take another problem. Heat, the problem is there are many equations are there, unlike mechanics. Mechanics equations are minimum, applications are maximum. Here equations are many. Interconnections we should do. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
When will complete syllabus, sir?
No, sir. No, sir. We can. Yes, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Shall I turn this? Right.
Yes.
See, we need RMS, no?
Yes, sir.
Look at the relations we derived. You can see that there is one relation like this.
Yes, sir. Remember.
Agreed. That means temperature is same,
Mm. Pressure. Here
same
temperature.
temperature he says. That means
Yes.
Then you can do no. What is there in that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You'll get this, no?
Yes, sir. Not yet.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Not on this.
Yes, sir. Not yet.
Sir, can you show the back page? Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
See here, what is the condition for escape velocity?
Sir,
The condition for the energy it has
double. Yes. Sure, sir. Sure, sure, sir. No problem.
must be greater than escape velocity, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agree.
We learned in gravitation that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He gave this one, temperature is also, what temperature is asking, no? You can find
Yes,
T, no?
we can.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finished?
Sir. 1 minute, sir. Right, yes.
Completed?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
See, the dust particles are in gas only, no? That means temperature of the gas do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir. Thermally comparable.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
What is Boltzmann constant?
1.58 into 10 power minus 20, sir.
Into the temperature. What is the temperature is given?
300 Kelvin for gas.
300 Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Next one is asking,
Sir, find the RMS speed, sir. If mass of certain particle is
okay,
10 power
you know that what is KEF molecule or molecule?
It's VRM square.
Yes, sir.
Now in this you have 6.21 into 10 power minus 21 half. Mass is given 10 power minus 17 he has given per kg. So if you simplify this, you will be getting, see here concentrate on the application, how to do, not on calculation.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All these you are covered in your chemistry.
But some formulas are additional, sir.
Last week I derived all this.
Yes, sir. Last week they right. Remember, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
And shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Completed, sir.
Any idea? See here, what is the average translational KE?
Sir, 3 by 2 kT for a molecule.
PD by 2.
So he says that at a higher temperature, this should be double what he has given, first one.
Double.
That means
Double.
this is
Sir.
2E1 we need. So this is 2. What is the initial temperature? That is in.
Sir,
So you have to
minus
add
60
this
will
now.
be
Kelvin to 73. Yes, sir.
Understood
yes, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
What is VRMS?
Understood, sir.
Under root 2 by m.
So, root 3
Under root 3
RT.
RT by m.
That means here we need, this should be double, no? He gave that one, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He gives
4 times. Finished?
1 minute,
that.
sir.
No done this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, it is written that at which the oxygen molecule.
Hmm? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you want to note down this? Somebody asked this.
No, sir, no, sir. I was saying that this was blur, sir.
This was?
Blur, sir. Now it's okay.
See, all of you tone up your mind that life goes like this for few more months and study. Don't expect some miracles to happen. From 1 year you're expecting that and you're losing your career, no? If you don't study, others are studying in the same circumstances, no? So they'll be racing ahead of you, no? It's a survival of the fittest. The parameters are same. Those who put in some reason or other, that's what I told you, Naya. Reasons will not give any result. Okay?
Yes.
You're trying to find some excuse and escaping. Definitely, you have to face one day, no, the reality.
Yes. Yes.
As long as you're an accelerating frame only, you'll experience the pseudo force. When that acceleration becomes zero, then you'll have only real forces, no? So now you are in an accelerating frame of parents. So you feel that Josh and Allah, you are having a lot of energy because acceleration is there, no? One fine day you'll come to the real frame of yours. Then you'll experience the real energy what you have. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Calculate the temperature which will have the same RMS velocity. What is the RMS velocity?
3 RT by M.
He gave same RMS velocity
Yes, sir.
for
Same.
both this oxygen as well as hydrogen. No? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Oxygen, I don't know.
Agree, sir. Yes.
Understood? So you'll get T2 as
Sir.
6768 Kelvin. Suppose if he gives the answer in degrees, you have to remove 273. Understood this?
Got the same. Yes, sir. Got the same.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir. Yes, sir. Right now.
Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Again, come back to this. What is RMS speed?
Root 3R2.
Yes, sir. Root 3.
Do you agree till here?
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can further be taken ahead by
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, any
Sir,
total
N is
వస్తాను ఎప్పుడే
capital M
చదువుతా
by
10 నిమిషాలు
R.
చదవాలి అరగంట ఫీల్ అయిపోతాం వెళ్ళవు వాట్ ఈస్ యర్ డౌట్ మ్యాన్
Sir,
కరెక్ట్ అలోనా
N is capital M by small m. No? Sir,
therefore you
molecular mass small m into N is capital M. So N should be
you
capital
are
M.
taking in that way. For me, this is mass, this is molecular
Ah, yeah.
mass, this is number of mass. Okay, anyhow, your wording is different. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. Understood.
okay, anyhow, Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
Proportionality.
Now he gave this now.
Volume 2V.
See,
V by
X is gas 1, Y is gas 2 I am taking. So the molar gas occupying this is X is V, this is 2V.
2V.
Okay, then what about this 2 into by 1 no? Am I right?
So,
Yes, sir.
What is Y2?
Sorry, sir.
so 1/2 no, sir.
2 into 1.
This is 16 by 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
See how much you are getting totally.
Yes.
Sir, N2 by N1. 1 by 2. How?
Y2. Correct, no? Molecular weight is 16 times that, no, that of X he gave, no?
He gave 2 moles. So N1 is X, so we'll get 1/2 on.
X is 2 moles, no? See?
Yes,
2
sir.
moles now.
See, these you feel, so many calculations. Mechanics you feel, such tough problem. Then what you'll do now? Complete this.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Complete it.
1 minute, sir.
Yes. Got the same answer, sir. Got the same.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. No.
Note down this.
Noting, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, first answer is most probable speed. Which molecules have maximum speed? What are the number of molecules we have?
Noted, sir.
8 is the highest, no?
Yes, sir.
8
Yes, sir.
molecules are having 3 meter per second. So that should be maximum number of molecules are having a velocity of 3 meter per second. So that should be what?
Yes, sir. Most probable
Most
speed.
probable speed. Okay. So
Yes.
first answer you can get is easily is that a most probable speed. So here from the given data we can infer that length. So what is the average speed? How to find? Number of molecules with speed v1, number of molecules with speed v2, number of molecules with speed v3. Agreed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So you can easily find this. From the data he got this one, you know.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finished this?
Yes, sir. So 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Right. Now we need the okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the second one? Four molecules. The
8
third one,
molecules.
eight molecules, six molecules,
3
three
molecules.
molecules by 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3. Okay. Now this is average. So RMS, root mean square velocity is root of this, no?
Yes, sir. Root of this.
So this is understood this? Any doubt?
No doubts, sir. Clear, sir.
So this is the various velocities and the kinetic theory, what it says about pressure, temperature, all these aspects. The next aspect is the degrees of freedom. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Here we wrote meter per second square, sir. This meter per second also.
Hello?
Here we in the answer we wrote meter per second square.
Pardon?
In the answer we wrote meter per second square, sir. Means meter per second.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, suppose a particle has Vx. What is its component in this direction? Can you tell?
So
Vx cos 90. What is it? Zero, no?
zero. Zero.
Along z axis, what is its component? Can you tell?
0, sir.
X cos 90.
That means velocity along x direction cannot is independent. It does not depend upon y and xz now. Similarly, velocity along y has no component along x and z. Do you agree with this or not? Clear?
Yes.
That means Vx Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Followed or not? So I can say that when there is no component, when this cannot affect that now, that means Vx cannot affect Vy or Vz. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Similarly, Vy cannot affect
Vx and Z.
understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, that means a molecule can have Vx, Vy, Vz. Do you agree with this? Hello.
Agree.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Hmm? So we say, this is what we say, three translational degrees of freedom. Degree means mode. Okay. Freedom means independence. Okay. So it can translate, the mode of translation may be along x-axis or along y-axis or along z-axis. So it has three modes of translation. Each mode is independent of the other. Understood? That's why we say there are 3 degrees of translation. Understood the story or not?
Understood this story, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Sir,
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
We say the term Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Now each motion has one kinetic energy, no?
Yes, sir.
So I can
Okay.
say that understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now the independent motions can be translational, rotational, or vibrational. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So what is a vibrational motion?
Vibration or oscillations, to and fro. Okay, that we'll discuss in simple harmonic motion. Okay,
One doubt, sir. Sir, sir, can we consider torque of a particle as zero? Sir? Means very small particle.
what is that meaningless question? I mean, talk about some point you say, no?
Yes, sir. Torque about some point. Yes, sir. I am
Why it will be zero? R is there, F is there. Why it will be zero?
sorry, sir. Not about any point. About its center, sir. About the center of the particle.
Automatically it will be zero only, no? Because there is no R now. What is the doubt you have? When there is no R or there is no F or the angle between them is in multiples of 90, sorry, 0 degrees or 180 degrees, torque will be zero. R cross F, no, the definition.
Yes.
Shall I turn this? See, man, physics is having some beautiness. Once you define something, you cannot change that. You can apply anywhere. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Next year, you are having around 40 lessons, man. 40 degrees of freedom you have. This year, 30 degrees of freedom only are struggling. Of course, those 40 lessons can be condensed into 10 lessons by side. They'll club up and say, for example, motion in 2 dimensions, they say, means it has projectile motion, relative motion, circular motion. But our chapter, they'll be actually each one is independent of the other. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if you Google this, actually you'll be seeing Bohr's model is obsolete now. We don't use that. Now, what is the model we are accepting? Don't know that also. hopeless fellow.
Quantum mechanical theory, sir. Schrodinger's
That
number.
is Sommerfeld, Schrodinger, those are the things. So if you Google that, you will get different things. What we need is what is the discussion in NCRT only. So that's why the answers in Google and all are not relevant for entrance exams. Okay, Google is a platform just for our time pass. It will not help for any competitive exam. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So again, don't think, and some of the values which I gave are in accordance with NCRT. In Google, you may be having slightly different values. Okay, but that I am not. I have no right to discuss about them because I should confine my discussion to the presence of only NCRT. Understood? So sometimes you will have that overaction attitude. You study something and you'll conclude you invented some new thing. You have
Yes,
invented
sir.
one new thing. What is that new thing? Is to deviate from NCRT and fail in the exam. That new thing you have invented. That's why I said, other than classes, don't use these mobiles. That will spoil your career, nothing else. Even your biology also same. Your Telugu Academy has no relevance with NCRT. Stick to NCRT only, nothing else.
But sir, Telugu Academy have more points, sir.
You're mad or what, man? Mental fellow. I'm telling you, it's not the question of your knowledge or more points. Examination is confined to the NCRT, means you're saying more points. This gases is their expansion, this is the thermal physics. You have total thermodynamics in engineering, around 2 years you'll be studying. Shall I teach all that? It's not the question of more points, man. What is there in NCRT? Will be question means you're saying it has more points. You're mentally retarded people or what? I don't understand. If you take one MSc book or BSc book, you'll find more number of points. You go to PhD, more number of points. See, here you want more number of points or more score in the final exam, man. Malakpet?
More score, sir.
Hmm?
More scores, sir.
You have aimed that. What is this? More number of points means I don't understand this logic. More number of I can teach thermodynamics for 2 years also. Is it required? This only you are struggling. One equation only you are unable to apply. I am saying just your examination is based on NCRT. That's all. Master that. What is there in that? After that, for your that is called knowledge enhancement. Basic need is, say for example, rice, rasam, something like that. Chicken biryani and all are an extra thing. That is a luxury thing. First aim for the minimum need. NCRT book only people cannot do. More number of points. What will do with those more number of points? IP you will pass. IP will mark list is a tissue paper. Okay. Nobody, at least tissue paper is utilized for some purpose. There is no use of this. It is only certificate that you passed your 11th and 12th. You joined for aims and you talk nonsense. More number of points. What is that more number of points? IIT has more number of points than your mains exam. You know that advanced? You listen
Yes,
JL40
sir.
class. Just here only on JL40 class, you'll run away from the world of physics.
Mm, They have to solve
No, each
foreign books.
examination. No, I told JL40. This also what I'm saying. I'm able to finish the conceptual part because heat is almost theoretical one for your competitive exam. Again, I have to take a separate practice sessions for them. No, there are higher order
Sir,
problems.
12th, 12th will have more theoretical chapters, no, sir?
Concepts, not theoretical. Hopeless. Well,
The-
theory is developed by new. Theory can be understood only by numericals, man.
Yes, sir.
You
No, sir.
learn
I mean,
concepts.
like, theory will be more than the question solving part. You said
You,
previously.
you need more concepts to solve one problem. First year, less concepts for more number of problems. Okay, anyhow, that
Yes,
will
sir.
be taken care by another person next year. First, concentrate on this.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Just now we have seen. See, you can have three axes, independent axes are x, y, z now. So you can have rotation. Tell what are these? About
Dynamic.
x-axis. About x-axis you can have this. Above y you have.
Yes, sir.
Above understood why we have to defer heat till the end, because you don't know all this until we complete rotation. Okay. So there
Yes,
you
sir.
have other batches now, your friends are there, other than Ames. There will be two track system. One fellow will start heat from the beginning only. Another
Yes,
fellow will start vectors. So that heat fellow teaches, this fellow student doesn't understand anything. Because they don't know elasticity, they don't know what is stress, what is thermal stress, nothing. No, don't tell here. That's the reason why these chapters are kept in the end. For syllabus completion, we'll run by tracks. See, we have vibration. We'll see that in simple harmonic motion. So generally, that vibration also you have vibrational kinetic energy and vibrational potential energy. Usually at our level, we don't consider this. You don't bother about this. In your course, they said neglect vibrational degrees of freedom. Why? Because oscillations are a little bit difficult to understand, so they removed that. Have complete knowledge on the syllabus that is there, man. Above that, there is no use. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes.
yes, sir. Yes.
Will I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
See, you have one book, Biology by Campbell. You have come across Campbell.
Yes, sir.
No,
Hmm.
sir, not heard.
Hmm. If you
I
read
heard.
that, for next 10 years also, you won't become, you won't understand what is biology. It is an excellent book, but you people, it is not suitable for your exam. That is a general book.
Yes,
I'll,
sir.
I'll read Campbell. If you Google that, you'll say Campbell, excellent book. But it is excellent. You should understand that, no?
Yes, sir.
So always cut your cloth according to the need. My dimensions are different, your dimensions are different. Therefore, the examination of mains and NEET are conducted by whom? Don't know.
NTA.
NTA. So mains and NEET, the level of questioning is same. Advanced is conducted by IITs, IIT board. That is different. So that questioning will be different. So JL40 students, I ask them, this AIMS syllabus matches with main syllabus. Advanced morning I am taking separately. That is no way connected with this. That is independent. So they have 2 degrees of freedom. One is means, the other is advanced. Of course, one negligible degree of freedom, vibrational, that is nothing but IP. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Your NEET exam, mains exam are simple things, man. Coaching centers have made them like that. They're showing some devil in that. Very difficult, very difficult. You look at the previous physics papers and all, how easy you can will be knowing. Now come back to
But
mono.
formula based only.
Pardon?
Options previous year are only formula based.
No, no. If you
We
know the
don't
if you
follow
know the concepts properly, you can play with that NEET paper or mains paper. Right. Come back to this. Monoatomic gas is there. What is monoatomic?
Means
Hopeless
single
fellows.
atom.
Huh?
Only one.
Single
Molecule.
atom, no?
Yes, sir.
one which does not make bonds and only exists free.
That means you can see this is single molecule, single atom, no? You can see that this can have Vx or this can have Vy or this can have what? Vz.
Means
Now this is what is the moment of inertia about y-axis? Zero only, no?
Interview.
Because atom has
Will not it will be
negligible radius.
atom has negligible dimensions. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Therefore, you have half I is zero, no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the same molecules along x-axis, it has Ix is also zero. Therefore, half Ix omega x square is also zero. Understood this? So here,
Yes, sir.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
See, you're studying Malakpet fellow, you're there.
Yes, sir.
That more knowledge and all is required for your career. Okay, but that can be only encouraged when you get into a college where you have good professors. Suppose you join in AIMS Delhi or these people join in on IIT. You have the best of best facilities over there. You can enhance your knowledge. Now, if you don't get a seat over there, you get in some Dakota private in a private college. What will you know? Nobody at least try to share your knowledge also. Understood? So you're a sapling, a plant entering into a college, but the soil is very weak. Can the plant transform into a tree?
No, sir.
That means your soil
No,
should be
sir.
good. So as a sapling, you're a healthy sapling. We are trying to make you a healthy sapling and make you to enter into AIMS or some IIT. There you have good soil. You can transform into a tree. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So now as a
Yes, sir.
sapling only, I'll join in some Dakota college. The soil is very weak. I want to grow means how it is possible. So concentrate on entering into the best colleges so that your knowledge will be enhanced, your skills will be enhanced, your marketability will be enhanced. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Telugu Academy has no relevance for NEET, for
No, sir. But
biology.
in the written exam, sir, most
Huh?
of the points,
in the weekend exam, sir.
You place
Most of
will
the
don't no, I am talking about final exam, not weekend. Understand? I am not if it is weekend. Did I gave one question paper so far? I never
No,
bother
sir.
about this. Hopeless. These are all hopeless papers. I know that. What weekend. Weekend we will only give the papers. You want, I'll post the key also before exam. Concentrate on final exam, man. Hopeless fellow. This weekend exam is only pseudo marks. What you will do with those? A jail 40 ask them. Jail 40 they get least marks in physics actually. Directors call me 1,000 times. Because my papers I will maintain of that quality. Let them fail, I don't bother. Okay, what do you do with weekend marks? It's like tissue paper.
yes, sir.
And that you can easily answer. How you people are answering that weekend, keep the academic book with you, answer the questions. We don't know what, man. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this has half m vx square, half m vy square, half m vz square. So what we can say, monoatomic gas has
3 degrees of freedom. It's 3 translation degrees of freedom.
okay 0,
Operational degree of freedom.
understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
The next one is diatomic. No?
Yes, sir. Diet.
Diatomic gas means there will be atoms binded like this. No? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is their binding force is there. You call it as chemical bond and all. You know the structure better than me because I am only a small physics teacher. You know chemistry also. So this is x-axis. This is y-axis, z-axis. Now you can see this system together can have Vx, or this system can have Vy, or this system can move like this, Vz. Do you agree with this or not? Agreed.
Agree, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
here half m Vx square, half m Vy square, half m Vz square. Now you can see that, can it rotate like this? Ix is 0, no? Why? Because
Not negligible dimensions.
okay. Now they can rotate about y-axis also, no?
They cancel.
They can rotate along this also, no?
Yes, sir.
So here we have half Iy omega y square Due to this, half Ij omega z square. This is half Ix omega x square is 0, no? Any doubt is there till here?
No,
Hello.
no doubts. No doubts.
Now you can see, therefore, diatomic gas. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, IY and IZ are also zero, na sir?
Why? I don't know why you are talking all
No,
this
sir. Non-zero, sir.
nonsense. What happened to your brother? This is IZ, no?
Yes, sir.
This is one distance is there, no?
I,
What do you have?
yes. MR1 omega, so sir, MR1 square plus MR2 square.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Why it will be 0, man?
Agreed.
Huh?
No, sir. Not zero. Not zero, sir.
What happened to you? After finishing rotational mechanics, so that is what the people are doing. Would be
No, sir.
IITians. Would be IITians. How painful it will be for a teacher, man. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Negligence. Be careful, man. Okay. You're playing with your career.
Yes.
Can I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Right?
Yes, sir. Completed.
What is the next one we have?
So, a triatomic gas.
See here, remember, first one, if it is linear, Linear means they're in one straight line only, no? Now you can see, suppose this is x-axis. What will be 0? So you
X will be
have
0.
only you have y and z, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And it has translation as it is, no?
It will have, sir.
This is 3 translational. This is
2
2
rotate.
rotational. Okay, totally this is rotation plus translation. 2 plus 3. How many are there? 5.
Yes, sir.
5.
5 degree.
F is degrees of freedom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have F is what?
Ft plus F means 5.
Okay. This is at normal temperature.
Yes.
Good. Follow this at
Normal temperature. Yes. No vibration.
very
No.
high temperatures. What will happen? You have to
More
consider
degree.
Vibrational degree of freedom.
vibrational kinetic energy. Second, one vibrational potential energy. That means when it is vibrating, it has kinetic energy and potential energy. No?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is F vibration are 2.
Yes.
So total are, he will give,
Yes, sir.
actually in all the problems you will be seeing neglect vibration. So,
Yes.
understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall I
Yes, sir.
turn this?
Yes.
No, 1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. Yes.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Suppose the structure is non-linear. As an example, I am saying 3. There may be more than that. Understood this? So this is the structure. Now this whole structure can move along x-axis or y-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is z-axis, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? So you can see that as a whole, so it has, do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
And this is, it can rotate about this now, because this may be 0, but this is there now.
Yes, sir. Along by
Yes, sir. There, sir. There. For M.
Okay, so this is half.
Yes, sir. Omega
It,
x square.
this can also rotate about this. Okay,
Yes,
so these two are there now. This can also rotate now.
yes, sir. For all the three particles.
Therefore, how many degrees of freedom has?
Um, six, three translation, three rotation. Then vibration, I don't know.
3 plus 3, how many? 6. At high temperatures,
Six.
vibration will come no 2.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
So F will be, vibration generally be ignored. He won't give that.
Yes.
Neglect, he will say. Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
this is sir.
So you need a break. What
No, sir.
Malakpet?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
When are you
There
ending
go.
class, sir?
No, sir.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Then we'll take 15 minutes break, sir.
Okay, come at 12. Okay. Right then.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Note down this and go.
Copy, sir.
Right. Right. Okay.
తీస్తాను అలా ఒకసారి మర్చిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోయినప్పుడు ఇలా పెట్టేసి రెండోసారి మూడోసారి
Sir, we are back.
Yes, sir, we are back.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
They're
Hello,
back.
sir.
Many people did not come.
We are back, sir. I'm back.
Many have left the meeting. Okay, let us continue our discussion. See, you have seen that is how much more? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir, 3 by 230.
Hello?
Sir.
That means you
Yes,
can
sir, 3 by
see
Yes,
230.
sir.
do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Average kinetic energy of the molecules of all gases is same, no?
Yes, sir. As per
Agreed.
agree, sir.
So I can say that what is temperature is a measure of what?
Heat. Yes.
Total kinetic energy of the
Yes. Average. Thank you. Remember, sir.
Understood? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now let us see average,
Kinetic energy of its molecule.
more specifically, average translational. Now this is
Yes, translation.
agreed because single molecule has only that one, no? So I can
Remember,
say that a single molecule that means I can say that can I write like this?
yes, sir, we can consider it is going to be.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
హలో సార్ నమస్తే అండి నెక్స్ట్ సార్ కొంచెం
నేను మా డాక్టర్ మాట్లాడాను లక్కీగా ఇవాళ దొరికాడు ఆయన అదే నాకు ఆయన ఫిట్గా ఉన్నాడట సార్ ఇట్లా మరి వ్యాక్సినేషన్ చేయించుకోవాలి నేను మొత్తం
Is it first page after the page?
Sir,
Do you agree with this, man?
Agree, sir.
So you can see. So now I can conclude that each degree of freedom has energy how much?
Of KT.
Do you agree with this or not? Clear?
Agree. Clear, sir. Sir, each translational degree of freedom, no, sir.
Hopeless fellow that has only translation. There is rotation here, man.
No
There is
rotation.
no
It's
rotation,
just
no? Then remember whether it is translational, rotational, the energy associated is same only, no? Will rotation affect the translation?
no, sir.
Then each one is independent, no?
Yes, sir.
So
It's an
here we deal with only degrees of freedom. 5 degrees. Yes, it has 5 into 1 by 2 kT. Understood this?
understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
So now we can make a conclusion. That is what we call it as law of agreed.
Yes, sir.
How much?
Half KT.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Shall I turn this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
So this number of gas molecules, what do you mean by that, sir?
N. Each molecule 1 by 2 kT. Man. This is 1 degree of freedom. This is the number of degrees. So this is F by 2 kT. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because for each degree you have 1 by 2 kT for one molecule. This is for n molecules, no?
Yes, sir. For one molecule. So that's for one molecule.
So you have, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
What is K? Can you tell?
Boltzmann constant.
No, this can be written as R by NA. Remember?
Yes, sir. You can do it.
R
Yes,
by
sir.
Avogadro number. Recollect what you learned earlier.
Remember, sir.
Yes.
This is
It's half of the n is smaller.
N by NA.
N by N.
This is 1 by 2F. This is number of moles, no?
Number of moles.
Till here any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Not yes.
1 minute, please, sir.
Hello? Followed this.
Followed, sir. Followed.
Shall I turn this?
Sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is actually the energy of the gas?
3 by 2 kp. Plus potentiality of gas ball.
For ideal gas, what do you have?
Ideal. PV is equal to N.
Potential energy of gas is how much? Zero, no? Remember?
Remember, sir. Remember. 0. Energy is only kinetic. Remember the kinetic theory.
Okay, therefore I can say that understood this. Is it clear?
Clear.
That is nothing but F by 2 nRT, no? Just now you found.
Yes, sir. By payment.
Any doubt is there?
No doubts. Clear, sir.
Shall I done this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
Following. Hello.
Following, sir. Following, sir. Yes, sir. Complete. Complete, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
See, internal energy. So, what is U?
3 by 2.
Understood this?
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
So let us see this. See, you have here oxygen is what? Diatomic, no? So U1 is F is how much? 5. He said neglect. See, the questions will be like this only. Okay. How many
Yes.
moles are there? Neon.
Monoatomic.
How many moles?
4 moles.
So total mixture internal energy is how much? Due to oxygen, due to neon. 5 RT plus 6 RT. 11 RT. These questions for this you have to get an you'll get an NIT rank, AIMS. What is this nonsense? No? These are the questions you will be answered. And many people will not get these popular institutes here. You are seeing now out of 53 people attended after break 35. Everybody escaping. Then majority of the students escape studies. Then how you will get the result? No? And you will take inspiration from them. He didn't get, how can I get? This is another nonsense. People won't get because there is no sincerity. Your questions are like this only. For doing this problem, so much theory we teach. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Any doubt is there, man? Here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No doubts.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, what is specific heat?
Sir, specific heat.
Heat energy required to raise the
We
temperature.
already defined this number of moles into. Remember this.
Remember,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now here we can supply. What is delta Q?
Yes, sir. Heat.
Heat energy, change in heat energy.
Okay. Change the temperature by delta T.
By delta T. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood this. Now you can see that understood this.
Understood, sir.
Now suppose we have, first law of thermodynamics, no?
So, yes, sir.
What is this?
First of all, thermodynamics.
Energy in
Conservation of energy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, if volume is what is actually work done, no?
P delta
For a gas, what is the work done?
V.
Pressure into dV, no?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
V is constant, what is dV?
0.
Therefore, what is the work done?
0.
So delta Q at volume is constant, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
only delta U plus this is 0, no? This is nothing but
Delta E.
till here any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now see, that means I can say that delta Q at V constant is delta U. This is delta, what is that you have? F by 2 nRT. Remember this? In
Yes,
this, all these are constant, no?
constant.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
So now we have molar specific heat
The constant volume.
at constant volume is heat supplied at volume constant by N into delta T. F by 2 nr delta T by N delta T. This is F by 2 R.
Agreed.
Any doubt? Hello.
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
You have come across all this in chemistry, no?
We have come
Yes, sir, we
across.
have come across.
Yes, sir. We have come.
All these derivations and all, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
But
we did.
forgot. Now recollected, sir. Now recollected.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Wait, sir.
1 minute.
Needed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
See, the molar specific heat we generally use this CV. That means you have this as
And taking the constant by n into delta.
what is that you got just now?
Delta.
F by 2R. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
You know that similarly you have CP. Do you agree with this? Hello.
Yes, sir. We are hearing, sir.
Now you can see CP minus CV is R.
Yes, sir.
Remember? So here
Remember, sir.
what is CP? R plus CV. This is 1 plus F by 2 R. Sorry, R plus. That means R
Yes,
into
sir.
1 by F by. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Followed? Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Please, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Then what is the ratio of specific heats, man?
So, 1 by 2. Sir, F by 2 no, sir.
Correct or no? This is
Sir,
F
1
by
plus
2.
1.
So gamma is
Yes, sir, 1 plus 2.
you come across this now?
Yes, sir, this all is.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Sir, given the formula for this CV and CP.
Sir, he give this much explanation, sir. This gives the
Hmm?
formula, sir.
For this CV and CP, sir, given the formula, sir.
Okay, till here you followed. 2 more minutes you can go away. Wait. 5 minutes
Yes, sir.
maximum. Even in charge is also not available, I think. I am the host. No, no. Madam is there?
No,
Hello?
sir. You are the host. You are the host, sir.
I have to check for students, in charges. Big headache. Okay, anyhow. Ames is some strength better, I think. Jail party all over, worst section. But many years, they won't get marked, they won't be attended. What is this? I don't understand. One of these should be there, no? If you are absent, at least you should have knowledge. That is.
Someone class, sir.
Hmm? Pardon?
Someone entered our class, sir.
Yadim Antraman is not disturbing. Anyhow, our students won't listen. Let others learn something. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Most of the students are MS school only.
It is,
Right. Now let us wind up this short summary. We have monoatomic gas now.
Yes, sir.
See, there is no potential at G. So degrees of freedom are 3 now. So
Yes, sir.
internal energy is also equal to
3 by 2.
is how much?
3 by 2 RT.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Great, sir.
Suppose if you say
Yeah.
do you agree with
3
this?
by 2 KT. Agrees.
Yes, sir.
So what is CV?
I will.
5 by 2 RT.
3, 5 by 3, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Sir, 1 minute.
You know complete thermodynamics, no?
No, sir.
No.
We completed, sir.
Electric behind, sir. Between stocks. Some part. First left, some part between stocks.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Can you please turn the page, sir? Thank you, sir.
First F is how much?
5. At normal temperature.
Five by 2 KT.
Agreed.
Yes,
Agreed, sir.
Increase.
5 by 2. 7 by 2.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
yes, sir. Completed.
So I can say that
Potential is divisible.
PP of real gas molecules. Equal to 0.
Understood this?
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
understood,
sir.
sir.
Right. So we can do the numerical parts in the next session. Till here, any doubts are there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Is it clear? See, I posted one quick revision notes. Remember
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are
sir.
doing
that quick
kinetic.
revision? It covers everything. Okay. Go through that once.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
some numericals, everything work out.
Sir,
See,
drive for kinetic gas is very good.
pardon?
Google Drive, sir. For kinetic gas is very good.
No, no, man. The more you struggle, the better your rank, the better your life. Understand that and behave. It's not parents, college, or teacher. Your life. Okay, your
Yes.
family.
Sir,
So
I
think.
want that drive, sir.
No, no. What we can do, man? If you don't attend the classes, if you don't do the work, what we can do? When you pray God, you should be ashamed that I am not doing my duty, but still I am praying. That fear, consciousness should tell you. If you don't have that, what we can do? Hmm? Right, anyhow, we'll meet in the next session. Go ahead.
Okay.
Right.
Bye.
Sir,
Bye,
I
bye,
want
bye, bye.
Google Drive for
Thank you, sir.
kinetic
Bye, sir.
and your capital.
Pardon?
Can
Pardon?
Google Drive, sir. Google Drive for
No, no,
kinetic.
already. No, no, it is. I posted, I think.
No, sir. Only revision we posted.
Sir.
Okay, I'll just try. I think it is. Okay, now I'll check up. Right then. Okay, okay. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Yes, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.